Would you survive dating your character in real life?
Never. No.
Who's most like their character in real life?
Hi, I get.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I get.
That's interesting. Who's least like their character in real life?
Still more.
Who's most likely to sleep in between scenes?
Fuyo.
Who breaks character or laughs the most?
Still more.
If the Polygamist had a different title, what would it be called? And then, if the Polygamist was a song, what song would it be? Please sing it for us.
Thola ukuthi akanandoda, thola ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba nathi uyazi, thola ukuthi ufuna mina, thola ukuthi ufuna umzito lo mntana akazazi, funa ngimpick up emlazi, biza ama-shots akacheck umfazi, faka ama-ice.
Please, last one, impersonate any character from the Polygamist.
We're Joyce wena. Suqala ukuhlanya ekhaya.
Thank you so